A surprising finding from our earlier work is that spammers can perform behavior on the network that is extremely uncanny and unlikely to be performed by a legitimate network user. For example, what we saw is that the spammer could hijack an IP prefix for a very short period of time, such as 10 minutes, send the spam or potentially multiple spam messages from IP addresses inside that IP prefix, and at the end of the attack, withdraw the prefix. This allows attackers to use ephemeral IP addresses, essentially rendering IP blacklists ineffective. In fact, we saw on any given day about 10% of the email senders are from previously unseen IP addresses. This ephemerality or transience of the IP addresses of the spam senders makes it particularly difficult to maintain a blacklist. In fact, we found many single packet features that tended to work well. In other words, features that a receiver could make a decision on just based on the first packet that a sender sends. Such single packet features include the distance between the sender and the receiver, the density in IP space in terms of how many other mail senders are nearby, and the local time of day at the sender. Other features, such as the AS of the sender's IP, also worked well. If we're willing to look beyond a single packet and look at a single message, the number of recipients and the length of the message also proved to be effective in distinguishing spammers from legitimate senders. Finally, we can look at aggregates. For example, if we're willing to look at a group of email messages, we can see how message length varies over time or across a group of different messages. Putting these features together in a system called SNARE, or Spatiotemporal Network Level Automated Reputation Engine, achieved a 70% detection rate for a false positive rate of about 0.1%. This level of accuracy is good enough to be used in practice. It provides comparable performance to state-of-the-art IP-based blacklists such as Spamhaus, but it only uses network-level features, thus making it less susceptible to the ephemeral nature of IP-based blacklisting.